Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have this motherboard H61MK motherboard, and this is from ASUS. If you have this motherboard and when you go to device manager under other devices, if you see PCI simple communication controller, if this has a yellow triangle, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, you can go to the ASUS website. So you can search for ASUS H61MK motherboard, and you have to search on ASUS for go to the ASUS website, go to the official ASUS website, and once you go to the website, you can go to drivers and tools, and here you can see the model. Once you go to drivers and select the right operating system, scroll down. Here you can see chipset. Now click on show all, and over here you can see management, engine interface, and then Intel chipset driver. You have to download both. Download it and you have to install it. If you see update option, don't update, you have to reinstall it. Download it, install it, download this Intel chipset driver, download it, install it, and once done you have to restart your PC. Restart is a must. After the system restart, and the yellow triangle should go away. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.